Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my cloud scholars out there. My name is Kieran Tross, and I am here continuing with the Okta course. I hope you all are enjoying it, even though we are in the very beginning. Please stay with me. In this video, what we are going to do is go through a small PowerPoint deck. I promise you I won't PowerPoint you to death. This will be about 5 minutes for this video, 6 minutes probably. I'm still rambling in the beginning, but if you know what Okta is, you can skip this video and move on to the next one. But if you do not, I'd stay with me and watch this video. So this way we don't have anybody who's left behind later on in the course. So when we're learning things, we definitely need to start off with defining what we are learning, so that this way we can understand what we are doing when we get to the technical portion. So what is Okta? Okta is an enterprise-grade identity management service built for the cloud, but compatible with many on-premise applications. With Okta, IT can manage any employee's access to any application or device. To better understand what Okta is, we need to figure out what challenges Okta solved. So if we're talking from a back in the day way IT was set up, we have our users and our Active Directory, right? You really have a system where people are signing in some type of central database. For most companies, that's Active Directory, right? But what happened was, as we started moving towards the modern age, you have people coming into your organization, whether they're contractors. You started having more devices. It wasn't just computers. You started having laptops, then you started having iPads, and you started having these mobile devices, other mobile devices like Android and iPhone. And then it got more complicated with the SaaS applications that are out there. So, Okta's solution was born of the unique challenges of how technology has grown and shifted in the growing diversity of devices. Identity issues, security, employee mobility, vendor partnership, and the exponential growth of unique application options. And forget about if you have all these different applications and you have all these different username and passwords for each one. Can you imagine a help desk call coming in and saying, hey, I need to reset my password? And somebody goes, okay, which identity, right? That would go nowhere, right? Because then you have Slack, you have Google Cloud, they might be signing G Suite. There's all these different resources that they need to sign in order for them to do their job. How do we make sure that we manage all these cloud applications and devices and more, and these different identities, and make sure that we have one identity that can now sign into multiple different areas within the organization? So that was a huge problem, and Okta came along and solved it. So what does Okta do? Okta features include provisioning single sign-on, Active Directory, and LDAP integration, the centralized deprovision of users, multi-factor authentication, mobile identity management, and flexible policies for organizations, security, and control. So that ugly slide I showed you, where it was showing you all of those, the old time and the vendors and all the other stuff coming in. This is a picture that I took from the Okta website. And on the left side, you can see my company network. And this was yesterday's IT, as they like to call it. On the right side is today's new reality, right? Where you have all these cloud apps, you have all these mobile devices, you have customers, you have partners, and any other external users that you want to classify. And they're able to still work and utilize your company data, and you can use all of that using Okta. So all these functions are brought together through a network of pre-integrated applications called the Okta Integration Network. And you will hear me say that from time to time during this course. So the OIN provides diverse integration options, enables single sign-on login for every app your user needs to access during their workday. So that's pretty much it. And now you understand what Okta is. Please continue watching the video throughout this course. You're going to have a lot more fun videos to show you. In the next video, we will be setting up our Okta account, and I'll be showing you how the Okta interface looks. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section. Also, if you can, please smash that like and subscribe button. I definitely appreciate it. Will help me with the YouTube algorithm to get more people and more viewership within my videos. So as always, I leave off with my motto. My goal here at Cloud Scholars is to get you from scholar to consultant and consultant to expert. Thank you, and see you next time.